Simple present statements in the bathroom. Pronunciation. Listen and practice. I go to the bathroom. I wash my hands. I take a bath. I brush my teeth. I wash my body. I take a shower. I wash my face. I use the toilet. I clip my nails. I wash my hair. I dry my hair. I floss my teeth. He shaves. I clean the bathroom. I put the trash out. If you enjoyed this presentation, let us know. Please like and subscribe for more videos.